Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. This is episode 2, part 2 of our English lessons with friends. In this part, we will focus on English explanations, easy meanings, and examples you can use right away. So, let's begin. First phrase is I don't believe this. Ross says, I don't believe this. It means he is surprised. You can use this when you hear shocking news, like, I don't believe this, it's raining again. Rachel says, we are just friends. It means they are not close in any other way. You can say this if someone thinks you are closer to a person than you really are. That's not a point. Ross says, that's not the point. It means the important part is something else. You can say this when a person is talking about the wrong details. Ross says again, you cannot do this to me. It means he feels something is unfair. You can use this if someone cancels plans at the last minute. Ross says again, I feel like I'm losing my mind. It means he feels too stressed. You can say this if you have too many problems at the same time. Monica says, I know exactly how you feel. It means she understands Rose's emotions. You can use this to show empathy when someone is sad. Great job! You just learned 6 new beginner phrases from episode 2 of Friends. Practice these in your daily conversations. In part 3, we will continue with more useful expressions. See you there. Allah Hafiz.